This is you, determined to carry every grocery bag in one trip. And this is you with no feet on the ground because of one barely visible bump in your walkway. The loaf of bread may have softened your fall, but your pride is a little bruised. It's not that one stumble that costs you, it's what happens after you Google what to do with smushed bread. Uneven concrete shows up everywhere. Driveways, patios, steps. Sometimes it's a dip, sometimes it's a corner that sticks up. It may seem small, but when water gets in, things freeze and thaw, and suddenly you're dealing with cracks, crumbles, and a much bigger problem. So what are your options? Well, the one most people overlook or just don't know about is concrete leveling. Instead of tearing things out, leveling lifts the sunken slab from underneath. Small holes are drilled, material like stone slurry grout is pumped in, and then the concrete slab is gently raised into place. This method is often done in a day. It's quick, it costs less than a replacement, and you get to keep the slab you already paid for so that it matches the rest of your concrete. Lifting works on things like trip hazards, tree root bumps, really most issues where the slab is still in decent shape, but it isn't the best solution in every situation. So let's walk through what some of those other options actually do to your concrete and when they might still make sense. Grinding is fast and cheap, but what's happening here is you're shaving the slab down. That makes it thinner, more porous, and more likely to crack. And once you grind, that's it. You can't do it again. That said, if a slab is lifted too far, like by tree roots, and leveling isn't realistic, grinding can be a good short-term fix to reduce trip hazards. Think about the last time you did a DIY project. Measure twice, cut once. Patching is a quick way to fill small gaps or smooth out low spots using a mix or store-bought kit. But since it often sits on top, not underneath, it is more prone to cracking or popping off when the temperatures shift. Again, this is a good temporary cleanup solution, but not a long-term fix. Self-leveling compound works great indoors to smooth out those wavy floors before adding tile or wood. This option is very similar in name to concrete leveling, but when you use this one outside, it can break down in the sun or freeze-thaw cycles and put you right back at square one. Tearing out and repouring all of your concrete gives you a clean slate, but at a steep cost. Demolition, hauling, and about 30 days of cure time with a price tag to match. It's also hard to match that color and texture with others around it if you don't do it all at once. This is a great option if your slabs are beyond saving, but expect some mess, some expense, and a longer timeline compared to the other methods. This is no longer just about saving your bread, well, saving this bread, but it's about repairing and protecting your concrete from bigger repairs down the road with an added bonus: safety, without starting from scratch. However, if your concrete is broken or crumbling, replacement may be your only move. Just confirm it's not cosmetic. If it is and the slab is sinking but still solid, level it. If it's inside and a little uneven, self-leveling could work. And if you really do just need a temporary fix until the timing is right, patching or grinding can do the trick. And if you're still not sure, that is totally normal. The good news is you don't have to carry every grocery bag or this decision on your own. Check out this video comparing foam and stone slurry grout leveling, or bring in the A1 crew or another local pro for a second opinion. Either way, it's time to take the next step, even if the bread doesn't make it. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.